Welcome to our demo of DynamicWeb PIM. In this video, we'll look at data modeling and finding products. Here, we're going to cover flexible data models for centralized attribute definition, datasets to get you a head start, and dynamic workspaces, providing you with a tailored perspective on your data. So, I'd like to start off this video by explaining the concept of data models. Now then, a data model is a set of attributes or data fields. So they're typically defined as smaller parts or sets of attributes of larger products. They can be assigned to many products or product categories to ensure a fast and unique assignment of attributes to many products. Let's take a look at an example where we'll define the attributes needed for an electric motor, which we'll be applying to a subset of our bikes. So let's go into the additionals area, into engine systems, and take a look at this engine center. So what I want to do right now is right-click and go to Edit Data Model. I'm going to go to the Attributes tab. I'd like to point out the attribute category here is selected as Electronic Engine System. And if we scroll down, we can see that now this data model is here with these attributes defined for the e-bike or e-mountain bike center engine. Now this data model could be connected to many bikes, and then you'll automatically have the center engine attributes on these products to enrich. So the next topic I wanted to cover was data sets. Essentially, you could get help from data sets to enrich the data attributes defined by these data models. Data sets are based on data models, and they're predefined sets of data for, well, in this case, various types of center engines. So to better understand this concept, let's take a look at these different types of center engines that have been defined here. We see these 10 different sets of data sets. And if we click into the Shimano Steps E8000, just to get an example, what we see here is many of these attributes have been defined on the data model and then filled in with the data relevant for the Shimano 8000 engine at this data set. Now, instead of creating data for these attributes on every single mountain bike that uses a center engine, we could just attach these data sets instead of the data models. So it's the values in addition to the fields. This way, you only need to enter data for the Shimano E8000 one time. And if the specifications should change, you only need to change the data in one place. Finally, in this video, I'd like to take a look at dynamic workspaces. This provides you a tailored perspective on your data. So dynamic workspaces in PIM is a way of automatically creating and maintaining various structures, catalogs or perspectives for your products. The folder structure and product structure in DynamicWeb workspaces are built automatically based on the various attributes and categorizations. You could build any number of structures to easily work with your products through different perspectives. In the catalog, all products by season and type, for example, you'll see as we browse through, the products are grouped by season and then by brand, and finally by a product category. So this is all something that you define. They're easy to configure, so I could just right-click on the catalog and edit. And here you can see that we have season, brand, and product category. So that was that for this video. In the next video, we'll take a look at product enrichment.